Gun ban is now in effect across the country as the election period begins. Here's the report.
The Philippine National Police has put up checkpoints across the country. This comes as the election period began on Sunday. The launching of checkpoints was led by PNP Chief Romel Marbil and COMELEC Chairman George Garcia. At least 1,400 checkpoints will be put in place. The PNP said they have already apprehended violators of gun ban.
Apat na po ang nahuli po natin from Region BARM sa 12 and dun sa ating and 6 and Region 3 po. Kanina sir, may nakita po ako mahaba dito sa Region 6. Mahaba, tas puro mga pistol po nahuli po natin.
The police will only do visual inspection, but they may do inspection if there's an apparent security concern.
May makikita po na kahina-hinala yung mga pulis po natin, let's say nakita po may baril po doon o kaya merong nakagapos doon, may nakapiring doon o may mga struggle po.
The PNP plans to install CCTV cameras at checkpoints for transparency.
May mga nagtatanong, pwede po bang kuhanan ng mga nakasakay sa sasakyan yung habang po sila in-inspection? Wala naman pong problema po yun kung sa tingin nila ay mas magiging ligtas po sila sa pagdaan po doon.
Some motorists don't see any problem with checkpoints.
We understand na mayroong konting inconvenience.
Those found in violation of the gun ban may be imprisoned for up to 6 years. For News 5, Dave Abuel, We Are One News.
Okay, so let's just clarify. Election period pa lang yung nagsimula yesterday.
That means start of the control of COMELEC.
Yes, so hindi pa to yung election campaign. Kasi yung campaign naman will start for national elections ng February 11 and for local, March 28.
Mind you ha, yung gun ban also covers, it actually covers those who have permits to carry. For the meantime, cancel the permits nyo during the election
Unless
period.
Unless may special
permit ka na you have a reason, justifiable cause to carry your gun.
Kasi ngayon ang exempted is government officials with special permit.
Oh, with special permit. But yung sinasabi nila, yung mga those may permit to carry, permit to license to...
Bawal din yung may mga pa-security ka na mga
Hindi. If you need security daw,
you have to ask.
You have to ask through the proper channels with justification kung bakit kailangan mo ng security.
Yes. Tapos of course, yun nga, linawin lang din natin kapag may mga certain checkpoints sa certain areas here sa atin and other parts of our country, dapat yung nila, yung checkpoint area would be malinaw yung ilaw.
May CCTV daw yan.
Kitang-kita yung signage na for inspection.
Yung policemen,
naka-uniform.
Yun. Kasi may mga in the past na natatakot yung mga kababayan na ayaw
hindi pwedeng mga nakachinelas
kasi
na
hindi naka-uniform. Yun, kailangan well-lit, may sign, yung mission order. Pwede nyo hanapin yung mission order if you want.
Tapos for us naman, when we pass through the inspection,
slow down, stop, roll down your windows, turn on the lights sa loob ng car.
Bawal maghalughug sila doon sa
ikaw
may search warrant.
Ikaw mag-open ng glove compartment mo. So, request ng police officer.
Bawal nilang hawakan yung
wala lamang kayong maling ginagawa, maggalangan na lang tayo. Diba? I mean, they're doing their jobs. Let's do ours as citizens. At the end of the day, if you want a very peaceful elections, let's cooperate.
And again, yung mga gusto magbaklas ng mga election paraphernalia. Wala tayong magagawa kasi nga, sabi nila, ngayon, kung nakaka-istorbo siya sa daan, pwede yun, diba? Pero ngayon kasi, according nga dun sa ruling, diba, nag-gesa natin dito ang mga taga-COMELEC every now and then and saying na there's a ruling from the Supreme Court noong 2009 na wala tayong premature campaigning. So, unless nag-start ang campaign period, hindi pa considered official candidates itong mga kumakandidato na ito.
Yes.